Integrating Practice Better with Stripe is a game changer for streamlining your payment process and ensuring smooth transactions for your practice. Stick around until the end, because I'll also show you some top alternatives that might be even better for what you're trying to achieve. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a Practice Better account. If you don't have one yet, head over to their website and sign up. Once you're all set up, you'll want to navigate to the Payment Settings section in your Practice Better account. This is where the integration with Stripe comes into play. Next, log into your Stripe account in a separate window, or if you don't have one, you'll need to create it. When both accounts are open, Practice Better makes it easy to connect Stripe directly. You'll find an option to connect to Stripe right in the Payment Settings section. Click on that, and Practice Better will ask you to log into Stripe. Once logged in, click Connect to link the two accounts. Now, here's where things might get tricky. Some users have reported issues with syncing payments or delays in payment processing after integrating Practice Better with Stripe. If you run into this, make sure both accounts are updated and that your Stripe account is set to the correct country or region for your business. Double-checking these settings can save you time and frustration down the line. The next thing to keep in mind is setting up your payment options. Once Stripe is linked, you'll be able to choose how you want to process payments, including recurring billing, one-time payments, and even setting up different pricing tiers for your services. You'll want to make sure your pricing matches your business model. The fourth thing you should do is test your payment system. After setting up, try making a test payment to ensure everything works smoothly. A small payment test will help verify that both systems are syncing properly and that clients will have a seamless payment experience. But here's something to consider. While Practice Better's Stripe integration works well for many, the platform's features for managing clients and payments can feel a bit limiting if you're looking for deeper customization or more complex billing setups. Plus, the platform's fees might not work for every practice, especially if you're just starting out or have lower volume transactions. So, what's the best option for your practice? While Practice Better with Stripe is a solid choice, there are other platforms out there that may offer better features for managing your payments. For example, platforms like Acuity Scheduling or Calendly, both of which integrate well with Stripe, might offer more flexibility when it comes to scheduling and managing recurring payments. Finally, as promised, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you can get an extended free trial of Practice Better with Stripe integration, along with access to some amazing alternatives that offer better value depending on your needs. The alternatives I'm recommending come with free trials as well, so you can try them out risk-free and decide which works best for your practice. Check out the links below for more details and to grab your exclusive offers.